going to be showing you this slime that I made. So
it's a day that God died. So
yeah, this is a foam slime.
You're not supposed to be saying that word here.
Are you stupid? Today's not the day
I'm
he
sorry.
died. Today's the day he was born.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys, for the noise in the background. So yeah, this is the slime.
Boy! Let me just do what I want to
Oh,
do.
sorry, that's the.
Stop! I'm doing my friend. Oh, yeah, but what you asking me?
So this is the funnest slime ever you could play with.
It's flown.
With foam. And now I'm gonna record my cousin playing with it. So Alex, say hi.
Hi.
Your face is so close. Okay, there you go.
What did I do?
It breaks easily.
Yeah.
So it's like the slime with borax, but with no shaving cream. So yeah, this is.
You can take over.
Okay, so I'm gonna take over for this video since it's my video. So yeah, and here we got my sister. So
Wait.
you can start touching.
Excuse me.
So that's. So I'll let it for him. I'm gonna ask Jacob if it's okay to touch his phone. He said no.
As you can see, we're in New York.
So yeah, that's the thing. And here is the phone.
Nice sunset though.
Yeah. Plus, I live in the Bronx, so I live somewhere in the Bronx, but I'm not gonna say my address. I'm sorry if this is dirty. It didn't like that.
It's like a window.
Yeah. So yeah. Oh, breaks easily. Sorry.
You put the slime in the camera.
So plus this is not my slime, this is my pretend boyfriend. He thinks I'm his boyfriend, but I'm not. His ex-girlfriend. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right now. So yeah, bye.